Hello guys, welcome back to once again my YouTube channel Code with DK sir. I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in previous session we already discussed about the set, tuple and set, right? So last time we already confirmed what is the difference between list, tuple and set, even syntax, what is the syntax differences, what is the major differences between, right? So in syntax, I've seen list used with a square bracket, whereas tuple used with the parenthesis, and set we use with the curly braces, right? So in set, have you say set taking random numbers, right? You can once you define the list, once you execute for is always taking random order. That's why set not supporting the index number because value always coming in the random order. Now, in today's session, we are going to discuss very interesting topic, dictionary, another data type, standard data type in Python. What is a dictionary basically? If you talk about dictionary, so if I talk about example of dictionary like Oxford Dictionary, so in dictionary also you can see the spellings there, A to Z alphabet manners, right? So if I'm looking for A alphabets, I will go to the A. So A just come with the key, and there's a different kinds of value with the help of the A keys, right? So this dictionary basically support the features, the key and values. They always come in the pairs. I mean, once you put the key, then you are able to see the values. Okay. So dictionary is a bag of values, each with the own label. It contains the values in the form of key value pairs. Every values in dictionary is associated with a key. Like very simple example, suppose a student. So student ID is a key. Once I put the student ID, I'm able to see all the information of the student, right? Because all the student information associated with the student ID. Suppose I'm talking about the employee. If I put employee ID, so I'm able to see the employee ID details. Like in bank, if you put your account number or customer ID, you are able to see all the values, all the information regarding your bank statements, right? So let's proceed for the next. Like characteristics of dictionary are the like Python most powerful data collection, and dictionary allow us to fast database like operations in Python. Dictionary have a different name in different programming languages. Like you can see, associative array is known as the associative array. Perl and PHP dictionary known as a associative array. Here, property or map or hash map is known as a dictionary in which programming language is Java. In Java, we call properties or map or hash map. Third one, C sharp or .NET. C sharp C has, this is called C sharp as well. This is called the property bag. So these are the different name in different programming dictionary known as with a different name here. Okay. Dictionary key can be of any Python data type because the key are used for like indexing, and they should be immutable. Okay. Like immutable means you can change inside, you can do the modification just like a list. So here what is a dictionary like immutable? So see, dictionary is somehow immutable and somehow mutable also. Second one, you can see dictionary value can be of the any Python data type, so value can be mutable or immutable as well. Creating a dictionary. So dictionary lets us use the curly braces and have the list of the key values. You can make empty dictionary using empty curly braces. Like example of dictionary, as you can see here, simply you have to give the variable name of the dictionary, and curly braces you have to define the key and values. So this is a simple screenshot of this. Next, list indexing there interest based on the position in the list, and like a general language, the order of the items in dictionary like unpredictable, and dictionary are indexes by the key. Like told you just previous, like once you put the key, then you are able to see the values. Okay. So here you can see some set of examples. Now we are going to see the practically that we're going to more clear. Method of the dictionary. This is a list of the method of dictionary. Like you can see the clear, keys, value. There are various kinds of method. Okay. Keys and value method. When we have to use this key method, return the list of the key in a dictionary. Like very simple example, suppose I want to see only the key from dictionary, so in that case we have to use the method keys, not key. S should be there. Okay. Second one, values, not a value, values, S should be there. method return the list of the value. I mean, if I want to see the only value from my dictionary, in that case, I'm going to use the values method. Next, key and values. The items method returns the list of tuple pairs of the key value pairs in the dictionary. So in that case, you can see here, is going to make a pair of the each of the key and values in the parenthesis. In that case, you have to use the items. Which method? Items. S should be there. Next, to access dictionary element, you can use the familiar square bracket along with the key to obtain is the value. See, dictionary, like in list, you already use the index number, where indexing starts from 0. But here, you have to give in the square bracket key as a index number. You can't give the index number here. So you can see here, I given the key like a student name. So student name, who is there? Harshit. So Harshit will out here. Next, len function, you can also check the length of the dictionary. So len function work on the dictionary. Len return the number of key value pairs. How many number of key value pairs? Okay, next one is an in operator. The in operator work different for dictionary than for other sequence as well. It tells the whether data appears as a key in dictionary. It can be used to check whether the value exists in dictionary. And values method is check the value existing in dictionary. Okay, and it will return the result as a list. Okay, so we are going to see practically how to work on this get method. You're also going to see here get method in dictionary. The method get return value for the given key, and if the key is available, it will return the default value. None key. This is the key to we search in the dictionary default. This value be returned in case key does not exist. Obviously, if a key is there, it will return, otherwise, it will not. So, let's see practically how you go for the dictionary program. So, let's come to the Python or Jupyter notebook. So, last time we ran the set and built in functions, sum, max, minimum, len, right? So, let's see how we're going to work on this. Okay. How to create dictionary in Python. So suppose I take a variable like student dictionary. I take underscore, as you know, you can't leave the blank space between. Okay. So here you have to give it the curly braces. And here we have to write the key. Suppose I given here student ID, make sure key capital, so give capital. We are using the colon between the key and values. Like a 001, comma separator for next key. And again here I given like a student name, colon, suppose I given here name like Anshu, again comma, and here I given like a student program. Okay, suppose Anshu program is doing data science. Okay, that's it. Then I have a simple print, and here I given my dictionary name is student dictionary DIC. Run this, so you are able to see all your key and value. So make sure the variable should be correct. Suppose here I given capital S. Run this. Okay, student. Okay, so this is way you can check. After then, if I want to see the length of dictionary, I just simple copy this. I will take an Excel and I will simple paste here. So I want to check the length of dictionary type. Okay, so type function we have to use here to check the data type, just like in the list, tuple, and set. So in type, run this. So you can see here dictionary data type. Again, I paste it here. I want to check the length of dictionary, len, and I simple close the bracket. So how many of them? Three of them. You can see id, name and program. Okay. Now next, I want to check the any particular student information here by the key. So what you have to do here, like very simple example, I have to given in the square bracket if I want to check it. So I want to check any key particular here. So in square bracket, suppose I given here student id s underscore id. Once I run this, see student id will out here s001. Same here, in once you are working in the list guys, you are using what? Index number. So place of index number in dictionary you have to give in that particular key. Okay, which key you already declared here, which one you already made it. Okay. If I want another one, if I just think I given comma and I will put another key, it will come. Definitely it will not. See, I want to give student name, for example, run this. So see, the same key, just make it out. Why? Because I didn't mention here the dictionary name, because each of the key taking reference from dictionary. So that's why it's mandatory have to take it student dictionary, and now run this, you will get it values. Okay. So see, id as 001, name is Anshu. Okay. Now next you go for, like just now I told you key and values. Suppose you want to see the key from dictionary, so you can use the key and you can use the values if you want to see the value. So how, if you want to see the key only from dictionary, so we have to use keys method, keys, keys. Okay, not key, make sure. So here I simple use dictionary dot given keys and run this. So you can see all keys out here. Okay. Same way, if you want to see the values from dictionary, so you can use the values method. Okay. So I take it same. I just want to change the function only just because of time. I want to see the values only from dictionary. So here we what we have to use values. So I will simply change values. Let's run this. So now you can see in this case only values will out from your dictionary. Okay. So this is where you can use the keys method and values method in your dictionary. Fine. Next, like we just discussed how to use the item method. So item method make each of them separate. So if you want to make a pair of this, so you can use the item method. So I use items method. Okay, in dictionary. So I will simple place here items, not items. So as you can see here guys, each of the key and value making separate pair with the parenthesis, as you can see here. Okay. So this is simple, you just make it, and item method, you see the values method, keys method, and how to see with the key, with the help of the key, the particular values here, length you check it. Okay. So with the help of this you can create a dictionary. So we just simple do the basic function here. Now we go for the forward, like how to use the pop method. Suppose you want to update something in your dictionary, right? Suppose you want to delete something from your dictionary, right? So we are going to be continuing the next session. So I will see you guys next session. Thank you so much for today.